I'm really excited about this new opportunity. In fact, I've been waiting for something like this for a long time. In fact, I think that technology has the potential to change our lives in many positive ways. It's important to stay hydrated during exercise. In fact, drinking water regularly can improve our performance. In fact, I believe that we should always strive to learn something new each day. I used to think that I didn't have any artistic talent. In fact, I discovered that I'm actually quite good at painting. In fact, many successful people have experienced failure before achieving their goals. It's easy to get caught up in the stresses of daily life. In fact, taking a few moments to practice mindfulness can help us feel more calm and centered. In fact, I find that I'm most productive in the early morning when my mind is fresh. It's important to maintain healthy relationships with friends and family. In fact, having a strong support system can help us navigate challenges more effectively. In fact, I think that listening to others' perspectives can help us become more empathetic and understanding. Sometimes we make assumptions about people based on their appearance or background. In fact, it's important to get to know them as individuals and not judge them based on stereotypes. In fact, I believe that we all have the power to make a positive impact on the world, no matter how small. It's easy to get overwhelmed by big goals. In fact, breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps can help us achieve them. In fact, I've learned that taking care of myself physically and mentally is crucial for my overall well-being. It's natural to feel nervous before trying something new. In fact, embracing discomfort and taking risks can lead to growth and new opportunities. If you like these videos, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.